Hello, everybody. JD here with your Rational Trader Market Analysis Daily. In today's video, what up? Who do we believe? Do we believe Bitcoin? Do we believe volatility? It's a fascinating day in the market. A weekend of more tariff talk had the algorithms all confused. And I can't overemphasize this any further. Computers cannot digest the nuance of Trump's policy decisions. And believe me, you need a human being to be able to interpret exactly what is going on in Trump world. A computer cannot, will not ever be able to do it. So over the weekend, Trump tears one-dimensional computer thinking, futures lower. By Monday morning, those futures had improved slightly. We were still fractionally lower, maybe a mixed tape at the open. But the interesting thing was that the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, skyrocketed over the weekend, peaking above $122,000 per coin. That buying continued overnight this morning, and we got up to over 123,000. Now, Bitcoin is the ultimate risk on trade. So I found it fascinating. Again, just a purveyor of patterns, an observer of different dichotomies in the market to help me triangulate my views from a trading perspective. Bitcoin is the ultimate risk on trade. And that risk on trade is accelerator, full on, pedal to the metal. So, why then did we have volatility spiking? It was up much higher overnight. We got up to 17.8, I believe, on the volatility index. Remember, last week, the volatility index was on its way gently lower on a glide path down below 15. So the computers, again, were trading on the terror talk and worried about what was going on. And I guess the only way to interpret the spike in volatility on one hand is you had a risk off perspective when volatility jumped to 17.8. That was a gain, by the way, of 7 or 8% in early morning trading. Now, you can see from this chart, we've dissipated. Volatility has clamped down, but we're still up over 4%. And again, who do we believe? Volatility is telling us risk off. Bitcoin is telling us risk on. And what are the markets doing? The major market indexes are very confused by all of this. Again, we were fractionally lower at the open. We did on the triple Qs get down to minus 0.4% in early trading, but we are now almost 0.4 to the upside higher on the triple Qs. So where it all shakes out is going to be fascinating. My daily arbitrage factor score came in right at 0, which tells me the markets are going to be up or down, plus or minus 25 bips. So with the triple Qs hanging here at up 0.4%, I suspect we're going to drift lower throughout the rest of the trading day. But again, a trader today has to take sides. Volatility is saying risk off. Bitcoin is saying risk on. My honest opinion is the volatility index has it wrong. That volatility index is influenced heavily by the algorithms. And as I said earlier in this video, the computers do not know how to interpret nuance very well. So I'm still expecting volatility to be on a glide path back down to 15. Tomorrow, we start getting important economic data that I believe is going to be positive in terms of risk on, positive in terms of lower volatility. So investors are already figuring that out. Fading volatility or that volatility spike earlier today, but there's more meat on that bone. We're still above 17. We may very well get back down into the low 16s before the end of the day. That's all I have for today's video. This is JD for The Rational Trader. Take care, everybody. I will be in Las Vegas tomorrow speaking at the Vegas Money Show, but I will be doing another video at some point from the road. And if you're attending the Vegas Money Show, would encourage you to stop by my presentation and say hello. That would be nice to meet you all if we get the chance to see one another. Take care, everybody. This is JD, and we'll see you all tomorrow.